Today I'm going to show you how to make this poster design in Canva. After opening new project, click in the background and change the color to black. Go to elements and scroll down to frames, see all, and type the letter that you want to use, for example S. Decrease the size, go to elements again and type Grunge photos. Go to filters and choose any color you want. Let's start with the blue color. Drag it inside the letter and use another one behind like this. Click layers and send backward and make the same for the rest of the letters. And after making all the letters, go to elements and type gradient. Click graphics and scroll down. Let's use this element. Decrease the size and click flip vertical. Go to layers, show layers. Make this gradient element behind the letters and make this gradient shapes in the bottom. So we have just the letters in the top and the images in the bottom. And duplicate. Go to elements again and type surf graphics. Scroll down. Let's use this one. You can see that the color it's not black, but we can change it by going to edit image, due tone, sherry, and change to black. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.